In an era where sustainability, efficiency, and innovation are paramount, the energy industry is turning to automation to revolutionize its operations. Automation technologies are reshaping the way energy is produced, distributed, and managed. Here are a few of those benefits: improved efficiency and output, reduction in number of errors, increased control of systems, better adaptability to changes, prospect of predictive maintenance, enhanced regulation compliance, superior cybersecurity, easier scalability, and boosted profit margins. The benefits of automation in the energy industry extend far beyond operational efficiency. They encompass safety, sustainability, and resilience. By embracing automation technologies, the energy sector is not only optimizing its current processes, but also laying the groundwork for a greener, more adaptable, and technologically advanced future. Eclipse Automation. We design and build the future. EclipseAutomation.com